Welcome to my channel. Today's key topics: flower and fertilization, uses of honeybee, products of honeybee, is nectar and honey same, bee only. Flowers are the reproductive parts of the plant. Flowers have attractive colorful petals which attracts birds like hummingbirds and insects like butterfly, honeybee and many more insects which sucks nectar from flowers. These insects help in pollination and benefits the plants by transferring pollens of one plant to another from anther to stigma. This leads to fertilization. Fertilization develops the ovules to seeds. These seeds gives new plants. Uses of honeybee. Among bees, honeybee is the most helpful insect which participates in pollination. Bees help in reproduction of plants. Bees are parts of the biodiversity on which all depends for our survival. What happens if bees are not there? Can you imagine the world without bees? Without bees, they would set fewer seeds and would have lower reproductive success as they are main agents for pollination. This too would alter ecosystem. Beyond plants, many animals such as the beautiful bee-eater birds would lose their prey in the event of a die-off. And this would impact natural systems and food webs. Honeybee products. Honeybee provides high quality foods like honey, royal jelly, and pollen. Pollen contains 5 to 7 times more all of the essential amino acids. It contains vitamin A, C, D, E, and K, and riboflavonoids. There are other products such as bee wax. Bee wax creates a natural barrier to protect skin and lock in moisture. Unlike some oils, bee wax won't suffocate the skin and lets it breathe. High melting point of 147 degrees makes it great for deep beauty recipes. It takes about 8 lb of honey to make a pound of wax. Only young honeybees exude wax plates. Beeswax is the structure of the hive. It holds not only honey but the pollen, eggs, and baby eggs. It is used to cap their honey. It can be harvested with no harm to the bees. It is used by us in candles, cosmetics, and art. Propolis helps heals wounds and fight bacteria. We can get them in market as propolis tablets and as propolis chunks. Honeybee venom is used for therapy. Is nectar and honey same? Although honey comes from nectar, they are not the same. In fact, nectar is nearly 80% water, which spoils relatively fast. It is sugary substance of a flower. On the other hand, honey is less than 20% water and you can store indefinitely without expiring. It is the product of honeybees. The culture of honeybee is called apiculture. There are many types of honeybees around the world. Among them, Mainly cultivated bees are Apis mellifera, which is an European honeybee in India, Apis dorsata, which is also called as rock bee, the Himalayan species, Apis laboriosa, Apis cerana indica is widely cultivated in India. The home of bees is called beehive. The making of beehives is really amazing. Now we will discuss about bee colony. There are three types of honeybees within every hive: workers, drones, and a queen. The workers and queen are females. Queens are reproductive and are larger than the workers. The drones are male, have much large compound eyes, and do not have stingers. Drones from unfertilized eggs, the only job is to mate with a queen. Drones die once they reproduce. The workers change the task as they do as they age, kind of how we change what we do as we get older. First we stay at home, then we go to school and then work. Young honeybees workers first take care of the queen and young larvae. Young bees also produce wax from glands on their abdomens and build all of the structures you see in the nest. Usually, after a few weeks inside the nest, workers will transition to outside tasks and take their first flight. The last task of a honeybee worker performs a foraging. Foragers bees leaves the nest and collect nectar, pollen and water. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.